There's little bear. Hey bear.
Hey God.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I like your hair. I love your eyes. So what did you just do?
Test makeup.
And what do you think?
I'm really happy with the eyes.
Are you ready?
They look good. Lips, I like the color. It was just a bit much.
Are you ready to get married?
Almost. I gotta do my hair tomorrow. A test run.
You excited?
Yes. Are you excited?
Of course I'm excited. I get to marry you. So where are we going now?
Food and minis.
And then yeah,
Chill as have fun.
chill. Oh yeah, I think we'll just chill there and sleep. So that's gonna be good.
Oh, I have so much paperwork.
So much to do. And we're gonna get to Carolyn and anyway, we gotta get
We
some
get
food.
there. One step at a time.
Hey doll.
Jag vet inte riktigt.
Alright, we're just about to leave to go do the cake testing now. Hopefully it's sweet. It's hot. It's 28 degrees. Sweden, you're killing me. Sarah's straggling behind. Should I straggle it? Straggle baggle. Hey,
Hey,
where are we going?
to the city.
Check this out. Look at him.
Here.
What's your name? I gotta call you Whiskies. Your white nose, beautiful. Alright, we have a job to do. Let's go and do this job.
Oh, the window.
I wonder how we got in. Oh, couldn't be through the big window. Could
Yeah, for the window being
Alright, let's go. Right, so, gonna go try the cakes. Gotta find the cakes. Where's the cakes?
I think we go to Skånskan first.
Okay. And then what?
And then Ringbågen.
How you feeling?
Better.
Good.
I
Alright,
think I needed some food.
and a nap.
Vatten.
And a nap.
Oh, it's just so like full on. I see why people hire like coordinators for weddings, because fuck, it's a lot of details.
It's very true. It's busy. Alright, let's go to Skånska. Hey dog.
Hey då!
Hey dog. Okay, so we have just arrived at the cake place. The first place sucked. Second place, awesome. This was originally my choice, my first choice.
First place was great, except for no one was there who could do something.
I didn't really like it. But this place looks better. This is a place we
This
came.
is like what we're gonna have to do.
Is this only it?
Yeah.
What did you ask? Wedding cakes?
Cakes.
Cakes? Alright, cool, let's have a look. Alright, so I like the look of it. The fruit, nah. What's that? That I like. That's not bad. Was that a strawberry and flakes?
So it's normal cake, and then it's strawberry cream, strawberries,
No.
vanilla cream, and then it's chocolate on this side.
Yes, because I like the traditional cakes. They're pretty
Yeah.
cool. No. I like that. Looks good. That's all right.
Yeah, I
Cheesecake.
thought that looked nice.
That's very nice, but it's very just like
normal.
normal. That looks great. I like the look of that. And it looks the part. It's square. You could get rid of the cherries and put a little crown thing. What do you put at the top of the cakes? The couple.
Oh, yeah.
Put the couple. Then yeah. Okay. So first choice.
I can't eat anything of that.
Right. Not first choice now.
Sorry.
The cheesecake maybe. That's a good one. I like that. Can we get that for me? Hey, that's that cake back there that I like.
Yeah.
I want that.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe we should have like, if they do like a stand like this, maybe we can have
lite bigger, lite big.
Yeah, but also different ones. They
Yeah.
don't have to be the same.
Let's go and ask if we can have that stand.
Because I think what you would really like is this one.
Yep. Should
And
write post-it notes. We never bring post-it notes. But
I think
we'll figure it out.
that one is nice.
Okay, so
because that's something
one,
that a lot of people can
2.
eat. And then you wanted
No, no.
traditional.
Traditional. 3. Which one's going at the top? Can they do this in white?
Yeah.
That and white. Done.
Yeah, usually they can. That one is great. Everyone loves it. It's very traditional, but it's just my mom has, and me and my sister, we never eat the top.
So I'll peel it off and get the inside.
But yeah, we have used to peel it off.
Alright, let's get it.
So you could
Done.
possibly get that in white, but I'm just like, it's a bit boring.
No, because this is the one that's going on the top with the little boy and girl.
Yeah, but I'm like,
So 1, 2.
because not everyone's gonna have everything.
Can I have you? Oh, your makeup's nice.
Is it?
It's beautiful. Go, I haven't kissed you. I'm wearing makeup. Alright, I'm happy with that. That
I
and
don't
that.
know. I get asked the prices too.
Alright,
and how
cool.
much.
We're going to go and ask the prices, so we'll see you soon.
And watch something.
Okay, so we just finished at the cake shop. We're now walking back into the centre of town to get carotene. Carotene?
Yeah, carrots.
Carrot
Thing.
something. So Sarah is gonna eat these carrot pills to get
A little bit of a tan.
a little bit of a tan, orange maybe. She'll look like a
Yeah,
carrot.
I'll be orange.
She'll put her hands up and look like a carrot. So I think we figured out the cakes. I really do like the cakes that we've chosen. And they're the
Looked
cakes.
at. We're
Yeah,
gonna
looked at.
confirm tomorrow morning.
We're going to confirm
They
tomorrow morning.
open at 7 a.m.
So we can get a
on
coffee.
a Saturday.
On a Saturday. So we can get a coffee,
Yeah,
relax, chill a bill.
good bit.
Good bill. So I'm excited. It's happening. Do you know how much more?
And
Each
then we're gonna
day
choose
something's
which
happening.
ice cream taste we're gonna have.
Oh, I'm
we
excited
only
to
get to
check.
choose 2 plus a sorbet.
Yeah, I know. So until we get to taste test it,
Well, you know pretty much every Sia glass. You
oh,
had
I
them.
love Sea Glass. That's my favourite church. Alright, so pharmacy, and then we're going to go and have dinner with Love tonight and Anna. Nini. So it's going to be good. It's going to be good fun. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Lots of good fun.
Tomorrow we're gonna see So.
So! And yeah. Halmstad's booming at the moment.
Yeah, it's good weather.
See? Booming. And then the church. Church. Right, let's go to the thing. There it is. Alright, hey door. Hey, hey.